What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this update on the graph or the GRT token, which I just had to update it yesterday. We were after my analysis. We were even more bullish yesterday. I did the analysis when we were struggling with this level around 19 cents. A little bit timed wrong because then we actually got some more bullish momentum coming into the markets because of the speech of Jerome Powell, which was received relatively bullish. If you, for example, take a look at the reaction of Bitcoin afterwards, and that also, together with the AI and big data narrative, caused the graph to not break above our main resistance level between 21 and 20 cents, but we did spike up to that next level around 23 cents, and that's from there we actually dropped down quite a lot. So you can even see on the 15-minute time frame that initially we actually somewhat held 23 cents, but then afterwards we started falling quite rapidly. And since then, since the last 2-3 hours, I think we also have given up that 20 cents support level, which is actually quite significant because that's the first bearish confirmation we've seen from the graph in the last week. In the last week, we've practically just rallied from 8 cents to that top at 23 cents, and we've never really looked back. And now is the first time you can see that we broke above 20 cents and at 236 FIB. We reacted to that, but now we've actually, well, not yet broken below that, but it does look like we're breaking below that. So what I wanted to do for the graph, yesterday we did a little bit more of a fundamental analysis as well. We took a look at some statistics around the graph, that kind of thing. In this video, I more so wanted to focus on the technicals, obviously keeping the fundamentals in mind, but with a real focus on those technicals. Some things we do need to know though is that obviously the volume coming into the graph, most of it is coming from credible sources. There are some sources with it which I don't like too much, but it's proportionally not a lot, and you should also know or understand why the graph is bullish like this. And that's all because of a narrative that's been going on in the crypto markets in the last months actually, that coins that have to do with AI and big data have been very, very bullish. Well, Singularity, Net, and Fetch AI, for example, are AI tokens, but the graph is one of the best, if not biggest, data coins out there. So that's why we are bullish like that. But let's get right into the technicals. There are basically two things that can happen. We're now at this support level around 19 cents, more specifically between 18.6 and 19 cents. If we can actually hold that level and break above 20 cents, then I think we can actually continue this rally all the way up to our next price target between 24 and 25 cents. So yes, that's my next price target. But then, as I said, I mean, we do really need to hold the level we're finding support at right now. And we need to get another bullish breakout above 20 cents. And whether you think that's likely, whether you think that's realistic, I'll leave that up to you. I think it's definitely realistic. Whether it's the most likely scenario, though, we'll see. To me, it's really a 50-50 chance between two different scenarios. First is this one. The other one, though, is that, sure, we might find some more support at 18.6 and 19 cents, but that we will not be able to break above 20 cents, and that eventually that level will break. After which the graph will fall down to this level right here between, well, if we extend it a little bit, between 16.5 and 17.5 cents, we'll find support there and we'll consolidate and we'll await bullish momentum. I actually think it's likely that at some point we'll be able to gain more bullish momentum and to reach 23 and 25 cents again, but we'll consolidate first in this scenario if we actually do not hold that 18.6 and 19 cents level. So it's really depending on that level, whether we can hold that for the next couple of days or whether it will break. I'll monitor it closely and I'll keep you updated on that. But for now, this is my take and analysis on the graph. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.